Welcome. It's so nice to meet you. My name is Amber. Hi, Maggie. Joe, nice to meet you.
Robert.
Hi, Robert. Welcome. Thank you so much for taking the time to come today and listen to this important presentation about this topic, global warming. Okay? So this has become a controversial topic, and it makes us wonder why. Why is it controversial? We're going to discuss that. So this is a great illustration, okay? This illustration was created by Ben & Jerry's ice cream because they're trying to draw attention to climate change, global warming. And they've noticed that people are able to understand what's happening to the planet when they see visuals like this. Can I ask the audience, when you look at this picture, how does it make you feel? Sad. It makes you feel sad? Sad. Right. It is sad. When you look and you think of our planet as an ice cream, right? And it's melting and it falls. And once that happens, it's over, right? So we have a quote here from the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change that says, scientific evidence for warming of the climate system is unequivocal, meaning there is no doubt. Scientists know that this is happening. Now, people have become resistant to believing that this is actually happening to our planet, but there's evidence, and we're going to discuss that. So, we are going to watch a video. Let's take a moment.
As the sun's rays reach the Earth's surface, some are absorbed and re-emitted as heat. Greenhouse gases, such as water vapor and carbon dioxide, absorb and re-radiate some of this heat. Increased amounts of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere mean more heat is trapped, warming the Earth. Human activities, especially the burning of fossil fuels, have increased concentrations of atmospheric carbon dioxide by 40%, mainly since 1900. Global average surface temperature has increased by 0.8 degrees Celsius over that time. Other changes to the climate in recent decades can be seen in the warming of the oceans, a rise in sea level, decreasing snow and ice cover in the northern hemisphere, and a decline in sea ice in the Arctic. If emissions continue unchecked, then further warming of 2.6 to 4.8 degrees Celsius would be expected by the end of this century. Even at the low end, this would have serious implications for human societies and the natural world. For more information about...
So we can see here, we got this NASA graph, okay, and it's showing us what has happened from 800,000 years ago. We've been at a consistent level of carbon dioxide levels, right? We get to 1950 and it spikes up. We can see that this is happening from mankind's burning of fossil fuels. Mankind is causing this increase, okay? So with all of this scientific evidence, I have to ask the question, why do you think this is such a controversial topic? Anyone?
Politics, money, what else?
Politics, money. Thank you so much for sharing. Politics, money. Yes, all those things play a factor. So what we can see here is we are experiencing climate change today. It's far different than what we've ever seen in history. It's occurring 20 to 50 times faster than we've ever seen it before. Some of the world's mass extinctions that have been tied to CO2, some people will say, like with dinosaurs, oh, it was caused from the CO2 levels, and it should be a relief. We shouldn't worry about it. It's not going to happen on our time. But today is unlike it has ever been in history before. We are really damaging our planet every day. Most of us, I'm a Californian, born and raised. Anyone else here also from California?
Whoop whoop.
Okay,
right
so
here.
Yes, Californians, right? We love it here. We have seen The increase in fires, okay, 2018, 2020 was so bad, the skies turned red and orange, very apocalyptic. All the cars were covered in soot, many people lost their lives in their homes. It was horrible, and we have seen an increase, and we will continue to see an increase in fires. The fire season is lasting 3 months longer than it has in the past, okay? This is a garbage dump in Vietnam. This is how the community makes their living, mostly women and children. They go and they find plastic and they sell the plastic. You can see in the background, the plastic is burned, which is causing pollutants in our environment. But also, it is harming this woman and child, okay? So we see a lot of innocent people are unaware of what's truly going on. EarthDay.org discuss the impact of what is happening today. People say, why should I worry about it? It's not going to affect me in my lifetime, okay? I'm not going to even know what happens. But it is affecting our lives, and it's going to affect the generations that follow us, our children and grandchildren. This is a generational issue, you guys. You may not have to hear or bear the brunt of it, but the generations that follow will. They will fight to survive. We know that this has become a political issue and a money issue because these fossil fuel companies do not want the government involved in regulations, okay? So we need to educate ourselves on what we can do to help our planet. What side of history are we gonna be on? Are we gonna be on the side that recognizes what's going on and makes the changes necessary for our planet and the generations that come after us? If you wanna make changes, there are things that you can do. You can save energy at home. You can change and eat more vegetables. You can be less wasteful, recycle, reuse things. Simplify your lives, right? You can change your energy source at your home. Switch to an electric vehicle if you can. Choose eco-friendly products and speak up and spread the word to others. Now, these are reputable organizations you can look into if you want to learn more or if you'd like to donate or volunteer. I also provided my contact information. After today, if you see me, please come and talk to me if you'd like more information or want to discuss the topic further. I'd love to chat with you more. I provided my phone number and also my email address. The references are below. I want to thank everybody for taking the time to meet with me today, and I hope I gave you something to think about. Thank you.